decor, furniture, exhibition stands, event branding, and even boats. Our customers have created all of these using M1 series CNC Router. Today, we showcase one such machine, the Wattsan M1. We will explore its design and explain why it's engineered for professionals. This is Wattsan. I'm Leo. Subscribe to join our community of laser and CNC enthusiasts, and let's begin. The Wattsan M1 is engineered by our team for deep cutting of grade materials like hardwood and soft metal. This is professional grade machine. Let's examine what makes it exceptional. First, premium components. We source parts from trusted global brands you likely know: USA, Hewing, Spindle, Siemens, and others. This means guaranteed the long-term machine reliability is access to spare parts worldwide, minimizing downtime. Second, the M1 type bed constructed from the reinforced welded steel with 10 to 12 mm thickness is delivered exceptional strength and stability for complex tasks. All Wattsan beds undergo heat treatment, ensuring a service life over 10 years. Third, extended Z-axis height 300 mm. Enables processing of larger workpieces and accommodates rotary device installation. Fourth, the gantry. Wattsan builds gantries from thick metal, even for small-medium model. This adds mass, reducing vibration and enhancing stability. Our engineers future-proofed it. The robust design supports operating to a more powerful spindle. Note the lateral stand made of high-strength cast iron, future-boosting stability and precision. Motion system. Powered by two free-stepper motors on all axes, ensuring motion accuracy up to 0.01 mm. Gantry speed reached around 25 mm per minute. Optional. Engineer can install closed-loop steppers or servo motors up on request. Heavy linear guides. Chosen for superior accuracy and longevity compared to the alternatives. Our goals: optimizing your production efficiency. Kinematic system platform milling. Performed by the robotic system, eliminating human error and achieving the mathematical precision. This guarantees the perfect geometry, allowing the components to perform at the peak capability. Now, user convenience feature. Vacuum table. Features the 4 zones powered by a 5.5 kW pump, securely hold the same fragile reference material, such as plywood. Automatic lubrication system. Simplified maintenance, just monitor the oil level and it serves all components autonomously. Spindle performance. The 3.2 kW spindle used here handles the wood, plastic, composite, apparate, and soft metals. Water-cooled spindle. Key advantages: quieter than air-cooled, consistent heat expansion, and compact bumps. Control system. Operated via the RichAuto A11 DSP control, its user-friendly interface supports multiple languages and includes a power failures protection, breakpoint processing. Alternative: compatible with NC Studio. Alternatively, request an online demo or arrange a factory visit. Questions? Comments below. Contact us via the Telegram, WeChat, or WhatsApp. We offer the dedicated customer support and training. Our engineers will visit your site to provide the hand-on operation guidance for this router or any Wattsan equipment. You've been watching Wattsan. I'm Leo. Subscribe and like to stay updated on future videos. Bye.